Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee with brown sugar. Start by gathering butter, brown sugar, a heavy saucepan, candy thermometer, and baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Melt butter and brown sugar together over medium heat while stirring constantly. Watch the thermometer and bring the mixture to the firm crack stage near 300 degrees F. Pour carefully onto the prepared sheet and let cool fully before breaking into pieces. Keep a steady, attentive rhythm while cooking toffee to achieve perfect texture. Stir gently but constantly so sugar dissolves evenly and does not scorch on the pan edges. Maintain medium to medium-low heat so the mixture simmers rather than roils, which prevents graininess. If crystals form, brush down sides with a wet pastry brush or warm the sides to dissolve them. Finish by reaching the correct temperature and acting quickly to pour and set. Enhance brown sugar toffee with simple flavor additions that complement the caramel notes. A small pinch of sea salt or a splash of vanilla lifts and balances the sweetness without overpowering it. For texture, sprinkle chopped nuts or drizzle melted chocolate once the toffee has cooled slightly but is still tacky. Let toppings set on a flat surface, then break into pieces for serving or gift, wrapping in airtight containers for freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.